Need a temporary break from Instagram? This video shows you how to deactivate your account in under 1 minute. Deactivating hides your profile until you log back in, so you won't lose any of your data or followers. To begin, you need to open the Instagram app and navigate to your profile by tapping your picture in the corner. From your profile, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top corner. Now, you should tap on the Account Center, which is the main hub for managing all your account information. Inside the Account Center, you must find and select the Personal Details option from the available menu list. On the next screen, you will tap on Account Ownership and Control to find the necessary management options. Here, you will select Deactivation or Deletion. Choose your account and make sure you pick the Deactivate Account option. Write the password and tap Continue. Choose a reason for deactivating the account. Scroll down and tap Continue. If you want your account to automatically reactivate after a specific time, select that from the Select box. Tap Deactivate Account and you are done. Subscribe for more short and concise videos that get you what you need to know in under 1 minute.